Alright, launching. Alright, and I launched that in fully stabilized mode. Now I'm pulling back on the throttle because it's got quite a bit of power. Alright, it looks like now the gyro is keeping it nice and straight. Looking pretty good. It's got a decent turn radius in fully stabilized mode. I'm not even giving full aileron. Just a little back pressure on the elevator in the turns. Isn't that sweet? Just cruising around at about 40% throttle. It's a nice little cruiser. Don't have a lot of wind out here this morning, so that's pretty nice. That's kind of awesome. So I think that this conversion may turn out to be pretty good. Alright, so let's put it into gyro mode. Wow, it's got a lot of power, guys, a lot of power. Get a little bit of zooming on it. I still have some tuning to do on it, just a second flight. Not bad. Seems to require a little bit of back pressure on the elevator and the turns to keep it level. Wants to descend a little bit in the turns. But so far it seems to be handling fairly well. Seems to be pretty stable. I haven't seen any real bad tendencies out of it yet. Oh man, that is huge. Alright. Alright, let's put it back in fully stabilized mode. And let's see if we can get it on the ground before I have anybody else coming through. Because this is got some small wheels on it, I wanted to bring it out here on the main lane to land on. Let's make one more circuit here and then we'll try and bring it in. I don't see anybody coming. Alright. Well, it worked out pretty well. Now I'm curious because I had my timer set for I think 6 or 7 minutes. Oh shoot, look at that, guys. 3.85, 3.86. So yeah, so I had it in the air for almost 7 minutes. Of course I wasn't pushing it hard, but it looks like even when I'm pushing it hard, you know, for half of the flight, it looks to me like I'm gonna be able to get 8 to 9 minutes of flying out of it, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. So I think I'm really happy with the power system. And this is just a little lightweight, you know, a 30 gram 600 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. So it's nothing, you know, great as far as LiPos go. So that power system, that motor is spinning that prop using, I think, significantly less amps than I thought it was going to be pulling. So that's absolutely fantastic. Yeah. So I think that once I get my tuning finished on it, where it's handling even better, I think it's going to be a great flying little military UAV type plane. 4-channel brushless now. So first time out with it. That was only the second flight, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.